was born May 18, 1804. Today is May 19, 2007. And I'm glad to be here in Palm Bay with the greatest place in the world, I can tell you. And if you have a family, you want to raise your children, this is the great place for it. We have great authorities here and great people. And it's a pleasure to present Mr. Andy Anderson, who's I know and want to help all the Haitian people. He wants to get involved. And I want to first thank you to the mayor who's opened the door for us. The mayor is in love with Haitian people. If you see any problems going on in this community, I am asking you to be gentle. Do not jump off the subject. To me or see Mr. Glandoy, we will go to the city and we will take care of your problem. I want to make sure what I say is right. I want Mr. Anderson to say yes, Mr. Jack Berman have power to come to them.
On behalf of the city of Palm Bay, nice day to accept the flag. We are very proud to have you all here in our city and our nation. And as Haitian Americans, you should be honored that you have somebody like Jack to represent you and carry your culture. So thank you on behalf of the city of Palm Bay.